Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The Reggae Girlz will hope to put in an improved performance in the second friendly international against Brazil when the teams meet this evening at the Arena Fonte Nova Stadium. Defender Vian Salmon described the first match, which they lost 4-0, as a difficult one.
Girls AWOL before the federation moved to suspend their selection. Now there is a reunion.
Oh, it was so nice yesterday when everyone reunited. Everyone was smiling and just so happy to be back in this space. We're honored to represent Jamaica every time, and I'm really happy to be back. Good vibes always.
And their first assignment back is to play world-renowned Brazil, who the Reggae Girlz sent packing from the 2023 World Cup.
Some great memories from the World Cup. It was a battle from the very first minute to the last one, and I'm sure they're going to be thinking about our last matchup, and it's going to be hard. But I know we're prepared and we're ready to give it our best. We have some new players here and they're quality, and we're just looking to build some chemistry and just keep spreading love and support.
As for Wednesday's session,
meanwhile, Captain Alison Swaby, and who missed the first game due to injury, is expected to return for this evening's match, along with striker Jody Brown, who also did not play in that opening game. Some tennis news now. Defending champion Novak Djokovic has withdrawn from the French Open due to injury. The world number one was forced to pull out of the Grand Slam before his quarterfinal with a knee problem. This could also threaten his Wimbledon and Olympic chances. The injury sustained in his fourth-round win over Francesco Cerundolo ended the Serbian's quest to win a record-extending 25th Grand Slam trophy and will result in him losing his top ranking to Italian Yannick Sinner later this month. Last year's run-up and 7th seed Rudd will now advance to the semi-finals, where he could take on 4th seed Alexander Zverev or 11th seed Alex de Minaur. Meanwhile, Djokovic, his injury and withdrawal means the 22-year-old Sinner will become the first Italian to take the number one spot since the ATP rankings were first published 51 years ago. Now, a learning experience is how Jamaican Alex Powell has described his recent outing at Imola in the second round of the Italian F4 Championship, where he finished as the second-best rookie for race 3 and off the podium in race 2. Since despite falling short of expectations, the 16-year-old expressed gratitude for his race 3 finish.
I'm happy, of course, to finish race 3 on a positive note. I think it's important to have that in order to carry the positive momentum into the next round in Vallelunga in about a week and a half. So that's a good sign. I mean, generally, we had a pretty tough qualifying session, and then race 1 and race 2 really didn't go as we imagined it to. Fortunately, race 3, we were able to stay quite clean. Although it was a hectic race, we were able to bring home the car in 4th, so just off the podium. But anyway, still happy to at least finish on a positive note.
And in 2 weeks' time, Powell will be back on the road again for the third round in Vallelunga, where he looks forward to building on the positive momentum he attained in previous races and putting on a better show. Powell he fell to second in the rookie category and 4th in the overall competition. And that's where we leave the circuit for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.